this is Ron here from Ron's Drone and RC channel. Today I want to do a little bit of a show you what's inside of my bag video. This is Zino related, so we'll be right back. Okay, let's get into this video about the what's in my bag. This is a camera bag here. It's see if you can see the tags here, but it's a Amazon Basics bag. I got this free with a camera I bought years ago. I don't have the camera anymore, but I still got the bag. All the Amazon Basics stuff is real well made, very affordable. I recommend choosing a basic item to check out Amazon Basics. So let's get into this video a little bit. So again, this is meant for like a 35 millimeter DSLR type of camera, but I've modded it a little bit different here. So you see it's got the straps on here to put your tripod on. It's got these snap offs here to get it off very easily here. So let's take our tripod off. Sorry about that bump on the table there. So it has your basic straps on the back, the waist tied around your waist, the handle to grab it. But let's get into the meat here. So this is the main compartment here, and instead of a camera in there, I have a little Hubsan Zino in here. Has a couple Velcro straps here that hold it in place. The Zino fits in there perfectly. Could even put something more in. Have it in there without the battery, but it would fit with the battery good. I have this rubber band on here to keep the pellets from flying all over the place. Over here, I have another Velcro piece here to keep the remote control of the TX. And also in the bag, I have my Insta360 One, what do you call it, 360 camera. The title says it all here. I have my, in a little protective case, I have my GoPro Hero 7 in here. So that also is in the bag here. What else do we have? Another little hidden compartment here. Here's my Olympus OMD-EM version 2 in here. Fits in here very handy with the little wrist strap on by that famous company, which I can't think of their name here at this point. I also have the full camera strap for the Olympus OMD-5, hope that's on camera. And it's a little ND filter pack. And also I have compartments up here that house all my accessories. To get all the stuff out, cables, wires, extra batteries for various equipment in here. And also I have another front pouch here to keep more stuff here. Like I have my kind of like legs here for my kind of GoPro stick there. Also it has another compartment up here for more varied pockets and stuff like that you can fill up with stuff you need. So again, you don't really need to get a specific case for the Zino. If you want to bundle it in with all the rest of your camera equipment, it can easily fit in a camera bag as just another camera accessory, really, to go along. So with this kit here, I have again a real camera here to get high quality photos. I get my aerial shots with this. I have my GoPro here to get the action style shots, and then I have my 360 to get some unique perspectives here. So kind of everything in one kit here. So I just thought I'd share that with you. I hope you get something out of it. If you have any questions about anything here, please let me know. And thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.